Today is the spring equinox, which means an equal amount of day and night, and from tomorrow we'll start to see the days getting longer and the night shorter as we head towards the summer months. Today doesn't feel very much like spring though over a large portion of South Africa, as that strong ridging high continues to push in cooler air over the eastern part of the country. Now that results in mostly cloudy weather with a possibility of rainfall, particularly over the eastern part of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. It also results in a cool day over the eastern part of the country, and by Sunday afternoon we might see a few thundershowers over the Highveld as well as over parts of KwaZulu-Natal. For the northern and eastern Cape though, we can expect a sunny Sunday with daytime highs warming up slowly in the west. Here's our rainfall probability map for the day, with a 40% chance of rainfall over the eastern part of Mpumalanga and Limpopo, and a slight chance of thundershowers extending in a band from Botswana all the way through to the northwestern interior of KwaZulu-Natal. On our maximum temperature map, you'll see the cool temperatures over a large portion of the country on Sunday, with a high of 19 degrees for Johannesburg and Polokwane, cold for Bombela at 16 degrees, 21 along the coast between Durban and Port Elizabeth, 22 for Bishu, Bloemfontein and Uppington, and a cool 17 degrees for Pietermaritzburg, 18 for Cape Town, but then warm for Vredendal with a high of 25. As we head out to the west coast, you'll see a fresh southeasterly wind from Lambert's Bay through to Alexander Bay, so moderate beach conditions there, with more of a moderate southerly wind for Longabon. Along the west coast, we can expect a 2.5 metre open ocean swell. A light southwesterly wind is forecast from the Cape Town Atlantic side all the way through to Cape Agulhas. Good beach conditions here despite the cooler temperatures, and we're expecting a 2.5 metre swell with wave heights between 3 and 4 feet. Mostly sunny as we head along the south coast with light winds for Mossel Bay, but a moderate southeasterly wind for Plettenberg Bay and Jeffreys Bay. We're expecting a fresh easterly flow for Port Elizabeth, and along the south coast we'll see a 2.5 metre swell with wave heights between 3 and 4 feet. Along the east coast we can expect an east-northeasterly wind of between 25 and 35 kilometres per hour between Durban and East London, with an onshore component to the wind for Richards Bay, and we're expecting quite a small swell here of only 1.5 metres with wave heights between 2 and 3 feet.
News that moves. eNCA.com.